Thumbs up for spring DIYs.
You're watching All Things Antonia. I hope you subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel today if you enjoyed today's video. And as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be bringing you another Dollar Tree haul. And if you're as excited as I am, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first two items that I have are these cute little candles, and they are wrapped in this cute little faux marble type pattern. And so I got two of these. This one is the warm flannel scent. Smells so good. Has a nice fresh clean smell, but a bit of a citrusy yet a musky kind of smell. I don't know, it's different, but it's really good. And then this one is called Spiced Tea Toddy. Looks like this, and I just thought the marble print was just super cute. This one smells really good as well. This one kind of smells like a spiced caramel vanilla type flavor or fragrance. Planning to do redo my kitchen table for spring, and I will probably include these in that tablescape or whatever you want to call it. Right now I'm just waiting for me to do this haul video. There's a few more spring related items that I'm going to show you guys here in just a second, and I'm actually ready to do my table. It's just a matter of I wanted to do this Dollar Tree haul first because majority of the items I'm going to use on that table are going to be from Dollar Tree, and if it turns out as beautiful as I'm thinking it will, that would be amazing that all those products are from Dollar Tree. So I got these candles to go along with that, and stay tuned for that video to come up. The next few items that I have are going to be spring related, and these are just some items that I picked up from Dollar Tree in order for me to complete my tablescape and go ahead and get started on that. So this is a repurchase. I hauled these in one of my previous Dollar Tree hauls, and this is just the onion grass. And I picked this up because I'm going to be doing a DIY floral arrangement for my table, and so to go along I picked up 3 in this trip, but before I think I picked up 3 or 4 more, so I just picked up a couple more because I think I may need more than what I picked up the first time. So I got more of this. To go along with that floral arrangement, I did pick up some of this floral foam, and I got 2 of them. And then I also picked up this little tin right here. And so I'm thinking I'm going to do my floral arrangement in this and hopefully be able to use this on my table as well. Thumbs up for spring DIYs. Okay, to go along with the spring floral decor, I picked up some of these, and these are beautiful succulents, and these are succulent clips. And this is the tag right here if you're looking for them in store. They are succulent clips by the Floral Garden brand, and so I like to get decorations like this on a clip majority of the time because you can just use them in so many different ways. So like with this clip, you can clip it onto anything, any surface pretty much. I picked up 4 of these, and I wish I had a picture. I don't think I took a picture in the store, but they had so many succulents, and I just think succulents are so pretty for like springtime and summertime, and I just think they're so beautiful. So I picked up 4 of these, and you'll see how I plan to use these in my upcoming video. But they did have several different types of succulents. They had some of the purple ones, I think some of like the red looking ones. They had more of these that had like kind of like different colors on them, and look at how beautiful that is. Let me give you a close-up of that just so you can see like the detail in it. I just think it's really pretty. ready. The next item that I picked up for my spring tablescape is going to be just some plain white dishes. So I just got the set of 4 plates, and I just think it's really pretty. Just has this simple little detail right here, and the back of it says that this is the Alexi dinner plate. It's a 9.76 inch dinner plate. And so I did pick up 4 of these. They're wrapped in newspaper right now. And then I also picked up the matching bowl. So it has that same little rim detail on the inside. And this is the Alexi multi-purpose bowl, and it's a 6.22 inch bowl. And I did pick up 4 of them, 4 of the bowls. Again, they're wrapped in newspaper for protection until I get ready to use them. Whoops. And then I have one last item here, and it's actually 3 items, but they're by the same brand. And if you have watched my previous Dollar Tree hauls, you know I love Bolero. And so Bolero has put out some of their spring, and I'm assuming summer, unless they bring out something new for summer, but they have more of the facial wipes, and I'm so excited about these. Look at how cute this packaging is. Like, can we just appreciate how cute the packaging is on these. So this is also a new fragrance. This is the cleansing coconut and verbena facial wipes. These are moisturizing facial wipes. They are paraben free, and there is a 30 count in here, and the packaging is just so stinking cute. I just cannot stand it. Okay, so this is new at Dollar Tree, and then they have the cleansing peonies and pear facial wipes, and these are soothing facial wipes. How cute is this pink packaging right here with the floral decorations? I just cannot. And this is peonies and pear. And then the other I picked up is a cleansing watermelon and mint facial wipes, and this is revitalizing. And the packaging is just so stinking cute on this as well. It has like little slices of watermelon and mint leaves on here. And I want to smell these. See if I can smell it really quickly. It really smells like watermelon. Oh my goodness, it smells like fresh watermelon. And you know, watermelon and mint is actually a really good combination if you drink like alkaline waters. If you make your own alkaline waters, watermelon and mint is really good together. So yeah, I'm super duper excited to try these. Now, I am interested in trying to see the difference between these that are considered revitalizing, these that are soothing, and the coconut and verbena, which are moisturizing. So I kind of want to test all 3 and see which ones I'm gonna like the best, or see which, you know, if I can tell the difference between all. If you've tried these from Dollar Tree, comment down below and let me know your thoughts on these. Let me know the difference, if you noticed any, between the moisturizing, the soothing, and the revitalizing wipes. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for today's Dollar Tree haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a bit of a small haul, I will admit, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys some of the spring items that I have picked up recently, just so I can go ahead and get started with my decorating on my spring tablescape. I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys are too, and I'm excited to share that with you guys. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.